time for the yos. Market opens in
45 seconds, guys.
There you go.
Make sure you got some water.
45 seconds. Already looked out of one account.
You're gonna need it.
5K today. Requesting. And let's get it, man. Let's go. 2 cons. I'm gonna take this off. I don't want to get swept out. Let's see. I don't know. Initially, I wanted to sweep below previous day low. But maybe a sweep beneath this. And then that's it. I'm not overstaying my welcome in these markets today.
CBC flip short.
This demand zone is strong. Damn. Swept.
2-minute EMA risk. It looks like a lower low on NQ.
I wonder if we could probably come up to VWAP.
We'll see here. They won't hold that. Handles green. I mean, I'm looking for CBC risk here.
I want to put my stop up soon. There we go. I'll take 320. Damn. It swept it. And it's right back already.
They get stopped here.
Yeah, it swept it even more. ES is strong. I'm taking NQ again.
Hey, look at that. Try the short after the CBC flip, but it's too close to that pre-market level, felt like.
I don't know. That's insane. ES is rejecting that.
Here, they can defend the CBC. NQ coming a little lower here.
Yeah, NQ's coming down.
That's more like it.
Damn, look at that. Guess what I wanted on my candle.
Rejection. CBC is bearish prior to a pivot break.
Damn, 72 points on that candle.
I feel like lower low down to 565. Maybe. It's fine.
NQ could probably come down to previous day low. I was looking for longs, to be honest. I thought this was a strong demand zone. I should have been following CBC. CBC is short.
Lower low is at 87.
We could get the bill breaker scalp here.
Dude, NQ.
I'm going bill breaker scalp. NQ.
Look at her go, man.
Let's see. I don't want it to bounce violently. Let's see if we get bill breaker scalp.
Come on, ES. Drop it low, drop it low. All right, 6-point gain, ES. I'm going to cover half there, $300 per contract.
Yeah, I don't trust that. Could get it.
That's how you do it. You short the green candle when CBC is bearish.
Yeah, it's giving it.
Bill breaker coming up. There it goes. Bill breaker.
Yeah, it's giving it.
Hello, guys. Look at us. Beautiful. 12-point gain on ES now.
Taking a bounce. previous.
Damn, Tesla.
Oh, I don't like that.
Scaling stop hit a little bit there. I covered more at 6 points.
Damn,
A
bro.
lot of BS there. Sorry, Kissy.
I'm up for bag 2 now.
Maybe another short opportunity here too. A little reload, potentially.
I'm up 1600 for the day. See, I like this. This is that downtrend.
Looks like liquidity sweep. Big pop there on NQ. Something just feels a little off about this. What I feel doesn't matter though. I'm short ES, 10-minute 20 EMA risk area.
These candles are violent.
Alrighty, beautiful.
Could have taken a short here.
I want to get back under 87 though.
But we could get
All I did was short the candle when it was green. Not gonna confirm a win though.
we could get previous day low incoming. Or maybe not. I don't know. This could be a little demand zone.
The VIX.
I could take it and then have a like right here and have a short stop. 20 for us to go long here. Stop would be, yeah, we could try it at 800.
Guys, remember, don't shadow trade me either, right? Meaning, don't just copy trades because I take them. Please.
Yeah, it didn't do it. I'm not interested in that wick now.
I do need to de-risk this rather quickly. I feel like if that is a sweep under the pre-market low.
But it looks, I wanted a sweep beneath previous day low. But I don't know. This could be our CBC risk.
I mean, 2-minute CBC risk would be a good risk management here as well.
I'd want it closer to this though, or within the body here. Then I could stop at 80. But if CBC flips on the 2-minute, that means we'd be out of the trade. We still do have that gap to the upside. So come up a little bit more. I want you to reject 80s.
Holy shit, Daddy. Nice work, bro. Congratulations. We're freaking yo, 42 months on the sub. Thank you, Dallas. Love you. Much appreciated. May get stopped here again if the CBC flips on the 2. I don't want to play those games with them.
We could get a sweep beneath previous day low, but then again, this is our demand. So I don't know, man. I mean, above this line is where I'd want to go long, which is what this is 62. This could be the short now, but if buyers are strong
10-minute flip, huh?
and it pushes up, it's still
I'm out of ES here for like a 4-point tag.
Still short on the 10-minute. I'm long. I am long.
Yeah, see that? All right, I said I'd chill, right? I said I'd chill. We're still very green on the day. It does look like a decent long with the liquidity sweep and the CBC flip.
I was early. I was very early, but let's see what happens. Maybe we do come up to VWAP or previous day low, but let's see.
There and a pivot at 706. I would be long right now, right? But I don't want to overtrade. I told you guys I'd wait 15 minutes.
Hopefully we don't get a nasty rejection. We're above that point now.
Pivot.
This could be it. If we reject this, I'm gonna want to come out of this trade.
That was a really good entry there on NVIDIA for the longs. I wasn't paying attention to it because ES.
Let's see if we can come up to VWAP.
Red there, 109.5, 110 or 111 there. Not bad.
It's prior to the pivot as well, so yeah, we're back below it. I don't like this trade.
And Q didn't flip long though.
Yeah, we flipped long on the 2 minutes. Let's see. Come on, give us that push up, man. Give us that push up. Up 15 points right now. There we go.
Yeah, with this pre-market low liquidity sweep, we could see like VWAP on ES, which is 714.
Nah, it's not gonna give it to us. I mean, I don't want to micromanage this trade anyway. Give it to us, dog. Give it to us. And then we have a pivot there as well. Like, I'd love to see us, where's my thing? I'd love to see us come past this. If we can come past this, I know we'd be okay. Oh, there we go.
NVIDIA.
There we go.
I said, I would be long right now, but I don't want, I said I'd chill. Can't confirm that I'm not long, but again, I don't want to force out too many alerts to you guys.
Nah, that's too many. These rejections, these wick rejections, I don't like. We need to get above this pivot right here. Otherwise, we're not going to be getting this trade.
So annoying, dude. He's so fucking annoying.
Yeah, look at these wicks. So we need to get above this pivot. And then we need to get above this pivot right here. If we can get above both of these pivots, then I'll be okay. This is just one contract as well. Let's see if we get the push up. Strong push, demand zoned as well.
High break if you're long. Scale.
There we go. Oh, there we go. Let's go. There we go. We broke that pivot.
Very few traders, that I
still got a minute.
And respect to, and B Trades is one of them. He said I was short. He said long.
Come on, man.
I had my stop set. So congrats, B Trades. Nice work, brother.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Still a minute on this candle.
And look at large lower wick. They filled half of it. They didn't on ES though.
We could come up to VWAP. If we come up to VWAP, that's I'm taking that. Come on.
I don't see why they wouldn't hit it now that they've surpassed the 10-minute 20.
Nah.
20 side up, bro. Scrambled only. Scrambled eggs only. Okay? None of that runny, ooey gooey mess, okay?
I don't know. Is the right thing to go break even, or is the right thing to just wait for this trade to play out? Well, I don't want to lose. I don't know. I'm gonna go break even.
I just don't eat the boiled egg, half-boiled, none of it, bro. I don't know. I just never got into it. Maybe I was traumatized, right? My mom used to have me boil a bunch of eggs growing up. And then fucking peel them and shit, and it just stinks. You're an egg hater.
Do we get it?
Let's see. NQ.
Do we get it?
Here. Probably built. Oh, they already broke the bill, huh?
Let's go. Oh yeah, bill breaker right here as well. It looks like it wants to do a move. What time is it? 46. Okay, I don't want to get whipped out. Whatever's about to happen, I don't want to get whipped out. So I will take a $200 loss. Let's see if we get an algo candle.
Yeah, struggling here.
Yeah. We're going to get stopped out.
Dude, I was thinking the fucking short NQ. I was thinking this.
Yeah, we got stopped out. That's so frustrating, man. Like the trade was there. It was there.
Who cares about you?
Oh well. All right, let me delete these lines. Actually, no, because these are my pivots. These are my pivots. Pivot. Pivot.
Dude, they're gonna go build a bill. Be nice.
Yeah, they closed it. I mean, I was up 700. I just wanted the trade to play out, so I was holding, and I was in profit as well. So, you know. Short NQ with Maple.
I should have hit it there. That 10-minute candle by candle method risk was so good there at the bill. Damn, Tesla too. I missed that short. I'm hesitating on those candles. I mean, I'm just bouncing around everywhere too, looking at different things. Technically, Meta would be that same kind of look. Do hit it. Damn, those are so expensive. I'm gonna have to go lower. elongating the 590s.
Dang. Wow, what a wick, man. That's insane. Back past the same place as well. I'm hitting it long. Because it's like it took this as a double bottom, so maybe we get this continuation up now. But I would not be comfortable with it coming back down. I'll give it, I don't
I had
know.
a scale, dude. I missed my scale. That was up 30 points.
That looks like it's a double bottom, but it might reject here because
There's some
CBC
concern
is
'cause
short
CBC is still bullish
on
from
2
here.
minute. So no, I want it to come up to here. I'm up 200 right now. You just have to be very fast, man. It's like, I don't know, if we're chopping around, it's going to be a choppy day.
Candles closing in a minute and a half.
So if we get the rejection here, it's going to be rejecting. So I'll take the low of this candle here. And yeah, we'll see. If it wants to reject this, then we're definitely coming back down. On the 10 minute, we're still bearish. We are below this 50% level. If we can get above it, then we can get the longs to come back in. If not, then shorts will play out. I just didn't like that wick for us to, for it to one, stop me out, and then two, to come back up like that. Like, this would be the area to go short, but these wicks and this demand.
Down like 50 or 10 points here.
Yeah, so this could be a short area. If we fail this, but if we yeah, look, I was up 15, back to break even. Very
still bearish. They did fill that lower wick, but they haven't on this spot.
Very wicky. Wow. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
30-point gain in Q. I'm gonna cover half.
That's really annoying.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right, short NQ.
Meta 580 put 10-minute CBC risk.
See. There we go. We broke a pivot. So concern is there. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out.
Yep, I do options trade. We just took Meta 580 puts. We're already up like $50 per con. I'm waiting to see if they break under 603.
Previous day low is at 765. Let's see if we can get the continuation.
Now, if they flip CBC off those EMAs prior to a pivot, we likely see a new low.
Up 730 right now.
I want a 100-pointer.
Well, he wants 100 points, so do I.
I want a 100-pointer, baby.
Nah, I don't like these wicks. I should have had a better entry.
Oh, you're good, bro. You're good, Gorvik.
I'll take 5 points. Yeah. I'm gonna wait now.
Scale, you should be up about 40, 50 points right now. Paper trade, Gorvik. Go to my YouTube as well. Go study all my videos. Read Trading in the Zone. Watch Mark Douglas seminar videos. Become an absolute fucking animal, bro. Okay? That's what it takes. This is a dog-eat-dog world, dog-eat-dog environment. So you got to be super hungry for this. Super passionate. Let's go, Imp. Beautiful. I'm about to scale meta. If we break low a day, we're up $110, 120 a con. I won a 100-pointer here on NQ. We're very close. We're at 90 points now. $1,800 bill. Guys, do you feel this? Do you feel this pumping through your veins? Okay? Do you feel this fucking money? We are unstoppable, bro.
Previous day low sweep, just taking a scalp.
Such a good market. Nice, Jorge. Go to my YouTube channel and
Here we go. So previous day low. Now let's see what happens.
On paper trading, bro. If you're brand new, you know, you need to understand.
I'll take 10 points.
All right, 50-point gain in Q. I'm all out here. $1,000 bill. I wanted my 100. They gave me 90. I was being a little greedy there. That's okay. Probably just need a scale pro. These are out the money, super far out.
Let me just let them know.
Uno meta. Watch the 10 minutes, see if it flips or if the buyers defend it. No, I'm not saying that Meta's going to go to 580. I'm saying that the premium was really high at the 590s or 595s even, like $10, $12, and I wanted something a bit cheaper. These were at 570, so $5.70 on the premium. I'm just scalping the premium. Remember, when you're new, so when you trade a premium or a strike price, like I went far out of the money. I'm not looking for that to go in the money all of the time. I'm just looking to scalp that premium, right? An increase in the premium giving me an opportunity to make profit in the market. Beautiful, K Richie. Dude, K Richie's a fucking boss. Do we upgrade K Richie? Can I get a vote? Can I get a vote? Do we promote him? Dude's got 10 racks in his account. He just made $2,200. Yay or nay? What would the queen say? All right, K Richie, you're knighted, bro. How would I make profit on this put? So I was in profit. I should have maybe taken some off. I wanted a low day break, but if I buy them at 570 and price pushes down to 604, right? These were up $100+ per contract, right? So I bought them 570. If you wanted to enter it when price, like this is my entry. If you wanted to enter where it was much lower, you would have paid $100 more than I did, right? Look, K Richie, all he's doing just following CBC and using 1-2 contracts. That's what we talked about yesterday. And not overstaying the welcome, right, guys? Remember, what's the gambler's biggest problem? Staying at the table too long. No, you just have TSLA. Freak nasty.
Crazy, bro. Hey, my group just upgraded me, man. Flipping out, man, because of how I've been trading. Literally 1 to 2 contracts, bro. It's all I'm doing, and we're following CBC. But of course, at the same time, I am a discretionary trader as well. So look, if we sweep previous day low, like let's go to the 15 minute quickly. Like if this was previous day low and we swept it, I'm not chasing this to go short. There's no way I'm going short. Like it can break down and go down to this level down here. That's fine. It can do that. But if I see a wick down and then we start to move back up, as soon as we break previous day low again, as into the upside, so price coming back up this way, I'm gonna take it for a scalp. I'm gonna take it for a scalp. Like why not? But of course, like we're following 10 minute CBC at the same time. But I'm using my discretion at the same time. So what's today? March 10th. Look, March 10th, 310, 60, 20, 1300. I lost 305. And then look, 20. Break even. So these are probably break even ones. Like, see, look at that. Breaking down now. We're closing beneath the previous day low. But I don't need any more. Like, I'm good for the day. I'm good for the day. And I made 2K on the day. Like literally, I could even just scalp 200 per day for the next 4 days and then request another payout. And then be good on that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm done for the day. Like I'm done for the day. Like I don't need any more. Like I wanted 2K. What am I talking about? What am what am I doing?
Where are you at? One's in the chat if you're green, two's red, zero, no trade to break even. Sir C, that green.
What are we even talking about? 2K on the day? Like what are we even talking about?
Go to 20s, 30s, man.
Like yo.
Go to 20s, 30s. One's in the chat if you're green, two's in the chat if you're red, zero, no trade to break even. How do you follow the trades, Vincent? You gotta go to wap.com/Mabel Stacks, okay? Twitch and YouTube have a delay. Don't bit. You know, man, I was catching all sorts of strays yesterday, right? Like, I went to Walmart, okay, just to go get a few items.
See, look at it. We moving down. It's doing it. So this area, let me show y'all something real quick.
And I'm checking out.
Let me show y'all something real quick.
You look like baby. And I'm like, oh yeah, thanks.
This was the downtrend. Rejected it, broke over it. I thought this was going to be the area in which we go long. Nope. Came back down to it. Oh wait, came back down. We broke to it, but we wicked up. So like, we safe, right? We safe, right? We think so. Came right back down to it, wicked off. We safe, right? Nah, son. That's broken. This one's not broken.
I wasn't hearing her, I guess.
This one's not broken. So now we're back beneath this. I'm gonna delete this one right here.
Potential bill breaker here on NQ at 700.
So that's that downtrend right there, man.
New low at ace 5.
Yo, I've taken so many losses and I didn't quit. Like I didn't quit. So like there's no guarantees in anything, but I feel like I've been sticking to the plan. I've been wanting to win. So yeah, look at initial, boom, but then the next candle came back down. So this could have given me 5K, but I don't need to be greedy. Yeah, that would have given it to me. I don't need to be greedy. And I don't have any more accounts. So
just did not break the bill. Hey, hymns can help with that.
Like, this is a perfect trade. We swept previous day low. What would me and the novice trader do? Thinking longs, which is I took some longs here, you know, to get to
Can I get my
2200.
Can we get it, please? Okay. You stupid market, give me that. Nice, Uncle Buck. Meta, how beautiful. I gotta set an alert, bro. Freak Nasty said just pulled $222 from NASDAQ. Nice. Need to scale again here. Nice bill breaker here. Remember, liquidity down to 80s typically. Make sure you guys lock in some profit here. If the buyers fail at 80s, we could go down to the next bid, 20s to 30s. So that's going to be 620, 630s on NQ. $200 per contract gain on Meta. I'm going to sell a quarter. Previous day low break. You guys sound so gross.
Hold up.
$50-point gain in Q. I'm all out. Beautiful. What a day. I don't even think we lost a trade today. Oh, no, I did. The ES short. That's right. Which I wish I still had.
Oh my god, my camera is terrible. What the hell?
That's the reason why I got stopped. I would have been stopped for more, you know, because it did break a new high and over that micro pivot. So good risk management, right? I can't complain about it. We just made really good money on NQ. Nice work, Pi.
No, it's terrible, son. Oh no, I gotta turn that off.
Mm-hmm. Nice work, GCG.
Did we do it? No, we didn't come down to that level yet.
There goes Meta.
What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing?
Meta breaking under the previous day low here. Juicy, $300 per contract. OMQ, put the paint on.
We're just gonna say Maple just got his 100 points. Yeah, I feel like, when it comes to trading right now, I don't know. I feel like this is my time. This is my opportunity. I feel like much more calm, more in control. And, like, I'm not here like running through like loads of accounts. I still have 3 accounts that I need to activate. But as soon as the money comes through from Top Step, then I can use the money from that to get some more accounts. Same thing with Apex. Let's see how many days Apex has. Same with can't even talk. Still 3 more days. Yeah, still 3 more days. So that's what 13 hours.
Green candle.
There we go. I mean,
short.
by Wednesday they'll be done. I have a meeting on Wednesday anyway, so I'm glad that markets went back actually, because then at least I can trade for an hour, and then I can trade for an hour, and then I can have my meeting. I'm not gonna go into the office on Wednesday, but I mean, let's practice.
Shorting Q, 2-minute CBC risk, extremely risky down here.
Extremely risky. I'd have to wait for the tap. But this is a demand zone though. The problem with this is that we're at a demand. So I wouldn't even want to be going short here, but this could get negated. I'd love to see us tap it and then we go right down. Doesn't look like it wants to do it, so maybe. All right, let's go short. Lol. That's so funny.
It's super risky down here. It's just the candle's green, CBC bearish. I wonder if they can. They already pushed it red though.
Yeah, look, that's my stop losses where I should be entering. Look at that, literally bottom ticked. And I could have been up $400 already. I'm out of that trade. Because it could push up. Are we bullish on the 10-minute, 2-minute? No, we're still short on the 2-minute. So there we go. We pushed. Damn, I missed it. I missed it. He's going to give it back to us. That's so frustrating. That's so frustrating. It tapped it and then I missed it. So all I have to do was just wait, to be honest.
Just OBS and Streamlabs.
Let's go. Let's try it. Short 2-minute EMA risk. How many points is this? What am I asking for? Asking for 50 points, which isn't crazy.
No, that 2-minute is interesting, but
it looks like we're basing here. This looks like we're legit basing here, and then we're just gonna pop up. So my risk would be this candle's high, which would be a lot.
Literally looking just for.
I'll be down 1200.
But I could get stopped here easily.
Like breaking this pivot here. Yeah, it looks like we want to push up. Yeah. Well, I was just about to exit that. We still have a minute 18 on the candle.
It was a 2-minute test, but they could push deeper into that 2-minute, which
I mean, 2 bad entries, you know, like legit 2 bad entries. I should have got in on the sweep of this candle here. There we go.
And they came to break even and they're wicking off it. My entry's not the best. I should have had a little bit higher there.
Yeah, it's pushing up.
20s.
Yeah. 2 tags right there, back to back. So my entry should have been on this candle and it would have given me... Look at that, it gave me 35 points. So now how would I manage this? We go down to 1 contract, or we could stay at 2 contracts. It's just depending on your drawdown and stuff.
I like the 2-minute.
So now, like I said, this is a demand area. It looks like we're basing in this area. So what we could actually see, yeah, tweezer bottom as well is what we could actually see. Candle closes in 4 minutes. We could see us, we could see it. I don't see us, this could be the push down, you know, we could get it. Let's try 2-minute EMA risk. NQ short with CVC, 2-minute EMA risk. I don't know, maybe we could break this prior pivot here, but it does look like we are basing, to be honest, is what it looks like.
2-minute EMA risk there, the 30s.
See, he took it in the 30s. I took it at 39 as soon as I saw us come up to that level. Still a minute left on this candle. We'll see if it wants to do it, it will do it, you know. Otherwise, we're going to get stopped out. And this will put us back break even on the day, but we're just practicing anyway. Let's just see if this plays out. Here we go. Here we go. Up 1500 right now on 2 contracts.
See how I took my stop entry? There you go.
Look at that.
There you go. Give me my fucking money back. Stupid ass market.
Look at that trade.
40-point gain NQ, covered half. Yeah, I mean, it was just my entry. It was too eager. I should have shorted it when it was green, the 10-minute candle.
Let's see if it gives it, if it wants to give it to us or not. This is a practice account, so I'm not tripping over it, to be honest. We'll let it run. If it wants to give it to us, it will give it to us and break the pivot, which would be good. Yeah, 80.50. This was my original entry before market open when I first came and looked. So let's see if it gives it to us.
See, and that's the thing, you know, like my thesis is still the same. I'm not gonna just, I got stopped out on the short. I'm gonna trade long, right? Like 10 and 2 are still bearish. So I want a lower low under 83 though.
Yeah, I want a lower low break as well, dog. I want a lower low break as well. Let's see if we get it though. Let's see if we get it.
Yeah, it's trying to turn this green candle red on the 10-minute.
Here we go.
So like today, man, like lessons learned.
Here we go.
Focus on that opposing color candle entry. It's so good.
There we
I
go.
missed it on Tesla. I got it on Meta. We just got it again on NQ. Oh man, what a stressful day. Excuse me. Dude, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, man. Too many uppers, bro. Can I get a 100-pointer finally? Like, fuck, dude. We've been in so many trades and no 100-pointers. Man, it's given 100 points if you can hold that long, but I want a clean flush. Give me my 100 points. Come on. Come a little lower.
Yeah, look at that. This is why these 50% levels for me are so important. Like, I know we're following sentiment of CPC and everything, but and sometimes these knife through, oh crap, these knife through. But what we can see, we bounce 50%, and then we slice through, and when we slice through, and then we rejected it clean right here, clean rejection.
Now, do you guys like when the
And right
sun
here,
sets later or when it sets earlier? I like later, bro. I can be outside more. True. Yeah, but if you're out there golfing and the sun sets at 5 o'clock, I mean,
see, but we're coming back down. But you could, these bounces, they happen. Where did it bounce to? You gave at least 30 points. Let's say like, that's $600 per contract. Like that's
at least a couple times a month. You know, it's been
that's enough money in my eyes. Like,
like 5-6
it just depends, you know.
And but once the weather starting to heat up here, it's like 75, 80s in Florida right now. I'll be back out there each week. I'm like right under the Space Coast, so right under Cocoa area. Tampa's nice. My family lives over in Sarasota, so I'm over there all the time. Dude, Tampa's crazy. You guys got a lot of crazy laws out there. There's a specific street. It's a little wild.
Oh wow, what happened? Flipping out. Wow, we came back down and we just ripped.
Remainder, NQ and profit. Yes, bro. Chief Golfin's back. I'm about to go hit up. We're gonna hit that course again, bro. $18 for a round of 18. It's hot as fuck though, but it's worth it. I got some walking carts though, man. I had one myself when I got my last one. So I'm gonna get out there, walk on the course, kill myself. Are they gonna give me another short here? I mean, they just keep double dipping.
All right, we are done. Like I said, we're not overstaying our welcome. I'm not purchasing any more accounts for now. Literally, I'm gonna wait for these payouts to drop. And then when these payouts drop, then I can request another payout. See, look, another 5K coming. Took a couple times this morning, but I was confident in the demand zone, and the demand zone was this little bounce. Like I didn't need a lot. I did not need a lot. I got my tag back and then up 400. Not gonna complain. And then we're done for the day. That's it. Make your money and get out of here. But like I said, the plan is we're legit gonna be doing this with day one.
Where's PLK right now?
We'll say day 6. Yeah, so if I activate them accounts next week, yeah, I don't think I'm going to reach my goal of 50K this month, which is okay. Yeah, which is okay. It's okay. Maybe next month. And then we can put it in options, to be honest. Have a long-term options portfolio. Or we day trade options. We scalp flipping SPX, scalp SPX and see what happens, put some money into options and then I just need to figure out what the plan is going to be, because or if I can hopefully I can reach my 30K goal. Then if I don't reach my 50K goal, the next one is to reach 30K by April 6th. If I reach 30K by April 6th, then I would have hit my goal of, I would have gotten back to break even on my long-term portfolio, which would be nice. Honestly, it would be nice. And that would legit mean if I get 3,400 from each account times 5, that's 17. If I do that twice, 17,000 times 2. Yeah, if I do that twice, oh my lord. Oh my god, man. Like, yo, the money in trading futures is insane, man. It's insane. Like, it's possible to do whatever you want to do. Which is year 2 now. Like, I had a very frustrating start to the year. I had a very frustrating year last year. I thought I was gonna hit my goals last year. But it didn't happen for me, and I'm playing the long game. Like, I believe this is what's gonna allow me to make myself financially free. I really do believe that. We're going here. Sorry, I didn't even mark my levels out. This is now orb high.
20 points again, guys. Scale.
And then this is orb low.
They have not given me 100 points. I have made a lot of money, close to the 100 points.
And then boom, that's it. 30 minutes done.
I'm showing your boy some love today.
This is when did I stop trading this? I stopped trading this at 155. Lol. And that's 228. So 35 minutes ago.
It was green on CBC downtrend. Very simple stuff. Yo, Red, you fish? You and your husband fish? You got to get into it. Move to Florida. It's the best. Get your little shrimp. Get your little ugly stick. Oh, beautiful. I haven't done the deep sea fishing. I bet it's fun, but I don't know. You're just like out there on the boat all day. I get like motion sickness. I don't know. Roller coasters kill me.
And then look at that, another short, another CBC short.
There we go.
Like, it's just provide.
Give me a new low day in queue. You know you want to.
It's giving me that 50 points each time. 50 points each time.
Yeah, 620s.
Like, it's giving 50 points each time. 50 points. That's like 2K, bro. Like,
dude, I know. I wanna go. I want some mahi bad, dude.
On 2 cons, bro, that's 2K. Like, do that twice, it's 4K. Like, what the yo? Like, what are you even talking about? Like, dog, what are you even talking about? What are you even talking about? I gave 76 points. I gave 100 points. Bro, like, bro, come on. What are you even talking about, son? That's 130 points right there. Just following it. And then look, I wanted this to be broken, and I wanted us to get up to VWAP was up here, I believe, somewhere up here. I can't remember. No, VWAP was up here. Yeah, VWAP was up here, around this area, and I wanted price to go up there. I thought this was it. But these rejections had me thinking that yeah, we're probably gonna keep going lower. So I mean, this rejection, and then Maple said something about this bill breaker rejection or something like that. So
2-minute was long, sure, but the 10-minute candle by candle method, right, which is our sentiment analysis, is short, right? So the 10-minute CBC is short. I like to take shorts when the candle is green. That gives me a great opportunity to dude, they're not. Trailing stop hidden profit there. MQ. Okay, so back to it, right? So I shorted the candle when it's green. The 2-minute CBC is great, but you know we can't really trade the 2 minutes. We can't really trade the 2-minute CBC when the 2-minute EMAs are bearish, right? So if the 2-minute EMAs are bearish, the 2-minute CBC flip long into the EMAs is just a little bit of profit taking. See, right? Look at that. If you shorted that candle when it was green at 83, you'd already be up 10 points. Nothing insane, but still money. Bro, tuna, you know, I've never tried, that's 6 fucked up. I've never, like, tried tuna. Maybe I need to try it. I don't know. Like, what would you compare it to, right? Because I like whitefish, but that one's a bit more meaty, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. See, and they just wicked my stop, and then they brought it down. But look at these candles, though. It's getting a little dicey. Just sear it. Yeah, like they treat it like a steak, right? Like I've heard of tuna steaks. Also, for those of you on the Twitch and YouTube stream, if you have been enjoying today's live trading, you can check out the Discord here at this link, wap.com/maplestacks. It's going to give you access to all of my trades, all of my alerts, all entries, exits, wins, and losses all together. You can see this is my trading floor. You get alerted every single trade I'm making, and you can make money alongside with me. You can also get access to the EDU Google Drive. This has over 300 hours of educational content showcasing how to trade candle by candle method, how to trade OR, VWAP, EMAs efficiently, right? How to trade prop firms. I mean, there's so much educational content in here that will turn you into a profitable trader. So there's a link in the chat. I'll give it on YouTube as well. Go to wap.com/maplestacks, all right? Dude, they fucking giving the 100-pointer, man. They wicked me out. I'm disgusted right now. Nice work there, Am. Beautiful trade, bro. Yes, sir. You said 25.
Oh man, look at this, man. Look, CBC was short. Did I miss this? I don't know, man. I don't know, dog. I don't know. Oh man, look at this.
Yeah, look at Tesla. Meta's doing great here.
But this would have
Position left.
I wouldn't have trusted this. The reason being, like I said, I thought this was a demand zone.
But Tesla, I mean,
We pushed up to the 10-minute 9. Sorry, the 10-minute 20. Rejected the 10-minute 20. And then we, but I should have had a feeling, man. I mean, it's weird because you have multiple trades within this one area. So if I'm looking at this, what I can see in this area is CBC flips long into bearish EMAs. This is not typically an entry to go short, but what we see is price opened here, pulled back a little bit. So, okay. This was not an area to go long. The reason this was not an area to go long is that CBC flipped into bearish EMAs. Okay, let's start again. And why my mindset is seeing multiple confluences at the moment, and why I keep these on my chart. So price came this when I don't know if I was at my desk here, but anyway, price comes into a demand zone. What do? I'm not looking for shorts in this area. Why? Because there's a lot of buyers in this area, which can be seen from previous days where we came into this area and price rallied from this area. Okay, so not only did we get a bounce from this area, but also CBC flipped into this area prior to a pivot, so could potentially have a reversal trade to go higher, and we have a gap up all the way up here as well, right? That's the first thing. The next thing is price flips into the bearish EMAs. This is not a long setup. I shouldn't be looking for longs because it flipped into bearish EMAs. And if I took this short, I could have made very good money on this. Could have made, what's going on? Could have made, that's 38 points, right? Problem with that is we come into this demand zone again, and then we bounce aggressively. We bounce literally from the 75s, and we bounce all the way to the 10-minute 20, which is 57 points, right? So that's another confluence. The second one is the next one. So not the second one is price rejected the 10-minute 9 EMA, creates this inverted hammer candle, and then the next candle at 1:30. So when market opens, price is bearish, and then what happens? We should be looking for short. So now we should be going down to our 2-minute EMAs and seeing what we can get right here. Price comes down here, wicks up. Entry should have been here for the 2-minute EMAs. And again, the problem is, like I said, downtrend bounces, gives us our all high. But then we didn't go any further than that. Again, like I said, this is a demand zone, so could potentially see higher, but we get these wicks and then we fail this, right? And then I should have been looking more at this chart over here, but I guess I was focused on this chart. I can't remember. So above this level for longs, I could have taken about 700 or 1,000 from these trades. So I could have been up more, but it's okay. I wanted us to push past these pivots and then reach up to VWAP or the 10-minute 200. That did not happen. So what should I have then done? I should have been following candle by candle, then flip short on a 2-minute, following this 10-minute sentiment, and then could have had an entry within this EMA here, within this EMA here, within this EMA here, within this EMA here, with it at the EMA, right?
And 39.
Something I still need to work on. Still something I need to work on.
Who's got some accounts locked, guys?
But yeah, so good review. That's gonna be it from me today. Don't need to overstay with my welcome in this market at all. What do we have for the rest of the week? So some no.
Type locked in the chat if you got some accounts locked in profit.
Oh yeah, no doubt, Maple. You know I got that. Where we at?
We've got their accounts locked and loaded. Beautiful. 4 accounts locked. I'm gonna go. Nice, Kev. Welcome to the group. Nice pie. On lot. They shorting Q Scout.
Okay. So tomorrow we have Jolts, job opens. Don't know what that's gonna be. So the number of job openings during the period month, excluding farming industry. So yeah, let's see what that does for the market tomorrow. And then we have tomorrow's Tuesday. Wednesday we have CPI. So typically Tuesdays, days before CPI, range bound, choppy. So tomorrow I'm actually not looking for much at all. I'm looking literally like probably for 10-20 points, lock this account, and then just be done, just to have a positive experience on the day. But of course the market's going to be open to do what it wants to do. So who knows, I could get a nice move, 50 points. We will see. But yeah, still going to be trading my 1 to 2 contracts. And then Thursday we have PPI, unemployment claims. Friday we have the University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So these are big news events that's happening this week. So yeah, stay tuned to that. And yeah, man, let's continue dominating these markets. And I will catch you